really not the best for filming long, but
here we go.
That sounds satisfying. That little...
Yeah, heard that too.
So yeah, that's the laundry detergent for us. And this is for my dad's and his wife's. Here, I shall help you with your stuff. Ooh, these towels seem kind of damp.
Yeah, they are.
And if you guys don't know anything about these impeller washers, load them off to the side, away from the wash plate. So I'm not exactly sure why, but...
Here it is. That's what I'm looking for.
What? Oh yeah, you use that when you remove stains. That's pretty cool. I wonder what this shoot stuff is. Probably.
Shout.
Oh, shout.
That's what this is.
Oh.
It's the same as this.
Yeah. Is this laundry detergent?
Yeah, it is. It's from Walmart. It's sort of the same as...
It doesn't smell the same though.
No, it doesn't. I don't like it much.
No,
it's there in case I run out, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, underwear.
Undies. Pajamas. And that's the rest that's in here. That's the rest that's in there.
There.
And then this is mine.
Are the socks turned right side out?
I can see that. I don't think they are.
Because you don't wash socks inside out.
No, because the outside is what gets dirty.
Yeah.
And if you wash... Oh, geez, I can see all the dust coming off the socks. Oh, I actually folded it inside out.
Gotcha.
And also gotta try to make sure your best it's even on all sides. But if it goes out of balance, it's not the end of the world. It can just be paused and rebalanced.
Everything needs to be right side out.
Yeah, or else the inside will be clean, but not the outside.
Okay. I think that's a quick wash.
Yeah.
That'll be fine. Medium dirty.
Yeah.
And hopefully we can just put it in the dryer when we get home.
Yeah.
Right?
When we get home?
Back from your house.
Oh, I'm gonna be filming this washer all the way through.
Oh, okay. Well then.
Yeah.
Get that done tonight.
Yeah. So, what we were doing is the laundry. I'm gonna be filming this washer, but I cannot do anything to make you see the insides, but you can hear it. There's the cycle progress. So we're gonna be doing load size extra large, and we're gonna be washing one sock. We're gonna be doing load size extra small, and we're gonna be washing 2 king size comforters and 3 queen size comforters. There's the Kenmore dryer. It's still working perfectly. This is what we use to remove stains while we put it in the wash. Things come out just normally clean out in the wash. The dryer doesn't like it when I do this. It doesn't like it when I do that. Not dirty enough to clean well. There is some stuff on there. I like the lint filters that you can pull out from the top. It keeps turning off for some reason. And the pipes in my house, when they turn off, they make a clunking noise when they just turned off. Is it on wash? We're about to find out. I can hear it in there. Actually, that's gonna be a brightness warning. That was weird of the washer to do that. But I'll have to, I guess I'll just hold the phone. There, I stuck those magnets on the fan. And yes, these needs to be tightened up for sure. And now it's like on load sensing wash. I guess it's post-washing. Yeah, this is my load along with Grandma's. Okay, I don't want this thing to keep stopping over and over again. Yeah, you saw it. We don't measure it, we just load it directly in. And because we don't care. We really do not care. This is my laundry basket. It's blue. And I really hope this phone does not run out of storage in the progress of filming the washer. Hopefully it runs out of storage when I just start the dryer. But for right now, when this washer is done, it should not go out. When the washer is running, it shouldn't go out. There's this utility sink. Yes, it is dirty. We had a lot of painting going on in here before, and I don't know why this hose is here, but yeah. This thing is dripping for some reason. Must be the water switch or something. I don't know. There's the drain pump that's definitely covered in paint. Yeah, the sink is dirty. We did have a new one, but I think we threw it out immediately from the restore. Boom, 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 boom. Love it. There's a washer like this, exactly the same, but the inside is different. It's white, and it has a two-piece agitator. It's almost like the Amana washer, just with the different controls. And also, I noticed the size about the lid, too. On the Amana, the lid is completely square. Meanwhile, this one is big. Yeah, I guess the job done. The pump! These are the water switch controls. I hear this one vibrating more because we don't use hot water at all. Because we don't let it get sudsy. Plus, Purex cold water. This Purex with the white lid requires cold water. That's Grandma's laundry basket. That's mine. Sometimes that's used because that's another quick wash. We don't use soap. We don't use drain spin. Rinse spin, drain spin. We haven't used that really. Casual. Nope. Maybe. Nope. Nope. Yes. Nope. Yes. Nope. 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 Yes. Nope. Sometimes it might be heavy, or I don't know. We don't usually touch these. We don't need a pre-soak. We don't need softener. We only need one rinse. So this might be a 20-minute video, but hopefully the phone can survive. Uh-oh, here's wash. We used to have a Whirlpool Cabrio washer here or something. It's not the Whirlpool Cabrio with the startup sound that goes beep. It has a nicer startup sound. But that one broke for whatever reason, and our next washer after this one breaks is going to be Amana. But the tub is practically small though. And I did not mean to say that washers with bad suspension aren't the worst. I just whatever. I just whatever them. Yeah, you can tell we use cold because of that, and that's not running. I bet this would start running maybe if we had this on for a while. The sink really has the splishies and the splashies. Love it. I might set it to about 60 or right there. Touch up. I thought it was a 15-minute dry, but it was actually wrinkle. It's actually wrinkle-free thing. We may have used permanent press before, but ew, I don't know what that stuff is on the dryer, but that's actually disgusting. Goes, starting to go fast. And the reason why there's every time I spin it when there's no clothes in there, I can hear things rolling around in there. There's money stuck in the wash plate, like coins stuck in the wash plate. I want to take a look in there for a sec. That's actually sudsy, kind of. That's actually a little bit sudsy. Yeah, that definitely does not ring when I... Okay, I will stop opening you from now on, I promise. This isn't those dryers with the one thing on it. It has all three of them. They come in different sizes too, like this one's small. I think that's medium. I think that's the large one I have my hand on. I don't know what that plate thing is in there. Light still works, for sure. One of these is the lint filter. I think that sucks the lint out. That's the thing that brings the heat in. I'm not too sure. But the lint filter is on that side, so it might be that one, but I don't know that much about dryers. All I know is they dry clothes and how it rotates and stuff. There's a similar washer like this, but it's a Holloway washer. It has an agitator in it, and the tub is white. But it's like a WTW 4800BQ washer, I think. And there's only 3. It would look like that without that knob on it. There's all kinds of different looking washers from Whirlpool. WTW, AT, NTW, ATW. NTW and ATW is Amana and Admiral. The Admiral washer only makes one washer, which is the gray speckled porcelain coated tub, not the white one. Hopefully this doesn't take too long, because I don't want it to take away the phone storage. I really do not want the phone to go out while it's doing this. I'll let it go out after I turn on the dryer or something. That's when I'm okay when it stops. Because I'm not able to get rid of that much storage because I have things that I don't want to delete. What was that? Yeah, the Admiral washer locks the lid right away. It doesn't let you open it at all times. But the Amana and Whirlpool, they have the lid lock until it spins. See, it's not locked right now. Oh, here we go. Oh, not yet anyways. Probably did a cool town pause or something. That's a nice brand right there. Whirlpool. Yes, it's kind of dirty from the splishies and the splashies from the painting of the tank. Is it about to neutral drain? Oh, yep, I was right. And the sink gets sudsy again. Whoa, that thing is spraying everywhere. Better so it doesn't fall. Oh, there we go. The lid locked. And there's still some bubbles. The sink was filled up way here before, but I don't know where the plug is for it. I have to... Whatever. There's too much stuff to take out of the way. Like, look at all this stuff. I have to move all that stuff so I can get this chair. I'm spending 2 weeks here because my dad and his wife are out on a trip to Vietnam. And I'm spending 2 weeks here and I don't have enough clothes for the week. I barely have any clothes here and I have like a billion clothes at my mom's. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that. That's too loose. What's it doing now? Is it doing an agitation rinse? Maybe. I don't know. I'm just spinning that. No. Not worth it. Well, let's hope it's balanced. Like, I seriously hope it's balanced. Because I don't like it when it's unbalanced. I do not appreciate that. Well, let's pray it's balanced. Okay, that doesn't sound good. But it's not shaking, which is, it's not dancing all over the room. Sorry you guys are seeing a black screen. I just trying to do something. wish you guys would be able to see what I was doing. Oh, there it goes some more. I took off the thing. This tap is really leaky. So this is what I did. Let me try to dry off my hands. I literally just folded it over like that. So it's on rinse. The phone didn't stop right now, which is good. That's what I want. I don't want it to stop until at least I turned on the dryer. Very cool, very cool. Looks like a standpipe could go here. But what's the point in having a standpipe if you just have a utility sink right next to it? Painting stuff that they left here for us. This house was built in 1970, but there's no wood panel up because it's definitely been redone. The ceiling must have gone all the way through it. Here's the fan. The light, we have no light. Okay. I can create a whirlpool. There, it's doing one right now. So a whirlpool washer caused the sink to make a whirlpool kind of thing. Okay, it's not spinning, I guess. That's always nice. So I believe the quick wash might be at least 30 something minutes, but the phone should survive through it. As long as it doesn't go out through the full washer cycle, that'll be fine. Okay, here's spin. Let's hope nothing goes bad. I really hope it does not knock itself out of balance. Hello? Are you gonna do something? I folded the hose there so it wouldn't get covered in a bunch of soap. Hello? Okay. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Okay. Well, this does not seem like full spin. I like to turn this on when I'm here watching it run so I can rinse out this sink. Well, I guess the sink on here is useful. I meant I guess the hose on this is useful so I can spray it around the edges and stuff. Lucky it fits. There used to be a deep freezer here, but that was gone. For some reason. I wish I could put this thing on something. Maybe this would work. Is it catching something on camera? It doesn't even want to stand up. Well, I wonder if I can make it stand on this. Maybe. If so, let's hope it doesn't fall. Because I'm going to go get the dehumidifier. Oh. Oh, I thought the camera was still behind the door. Last time I spilt it on the floor. It is practically cold out today, but I'm just gonna still have that running for safety reasons. Yeah, I never thought about that. Pushing out the lint filter would help it. Okay, hello this time. Are you gonna do anything? Well, good thing this didn't go out yet. I hope it stays on until I turn on that dryer. And if it's still on, I'll end it myself. Oh. It's already pumped out water. Okay. Let me make sure this is off, like really tight. Use full strength. But the way how these knobs are designed, they're metal, so they're uncomfortable, kind of. Is it gonna spin? Oh god, yep, it is. Okay, that's not too out of balance. You can even see for yourself how shaky it is. That's the plug for it. That's the plug for the washer. There would be an electric dryer here, but it plugs into that outlet down there. The sump pump would normally plug into that, but I don't know if that blue one's the sump pump. I know this is the dryer because it has that emergency tag on it. So it's not too out of balance, but it could be better, but I'm not gonna pause it. I can feel the air coming out of this thing. And yes, it is locked for sure. But it feels like I can break it. But I don't wanna. I kinda like this washer because it doesn't lock until it spins. Meanwhile, the LG, it locks the entire time it's running. Okay, that's worse. The washer did not like that, so I'll put it on the dryer. I love the smell of this stuff. And it's kind of bubbly for some reason. Smells like nice Tango soap. National Hockey Leaders. It's for AG. Purex Bright and Clean. Cold water because, yeah. Harmful if swallowed. Yes, I know about that. So, unscented detergent does tend to get sudsy. Okay, that just stopped its clunking. I actually like it better when it's not clicking. I believe it's slowing down now. This outlet isn't even in. Oh, well, it looks like it's loose, but it's not. Yes, these walls are hella dirty. This basement, this part of the basement is like not completely finished, but part of it's kind of finished. This is the laundry room and utility room. And that's the, this is the unfinished part of the basement, but when you go in here, it's finished. And there's where I shot my book story, and in there is another bedroom. That's the bathroom. That's the dehumidifier I bought with my house. Well, it looks like this phone pretty much did survive all the way through, but it's just doing a break-free spin down, which I don't like. I'm not a big fan of big break-free slowdowns, but they get the job done if you ask. And I know, I'm not a big fan of washers like this. I really prefer older washers, but this gets the job done. It does it okay. The pump's all the way out. Whirlpool. Oh, that was like tightly off. Okay, oh, yep, it's done. Okay. Well, good job, phone, for surviving all the way through. Now time to load up the dryer. The dryer still works like gold. These are all Grimace things I'm touching. They come out fairly good. Like gold. This is my Puma underwear. What the hell? It's still dirty. That's a bit odd. And socks never come out clean. They never did and never will. Especially in old washers, they won't ever come out clean. Yeah, I really like this dryer a whole lot. Because it's old. And it still runs today. It's a gas dryer. And the simple hack to get this to run with the lid open is just pushing that in. You could just like tape that in. Yeah. I guess this, I heard a clunk from this, so yeah, it turned off. The computer stays on for a couple minutes after it's done. There's Grandma's pajamas. Well, it looks like this phone actually survived through. I tried deleting some storage off, and it seems like it worked pretty well. But yeah, I just like to keep, and also I'm not able to do YouTube Shorts if my iPhone storage is full, because it does last recording failed or couldn't export video not available, last recording failed, couldn't export video. It does that to me a lot, and I have so much trouble trying to make YouTube Shorts. I should film a behind the scenes on me struggling to make a YouTube short with this phone. My TCL phone I have, my mom's, is, I do like it, but I don't like the sound quality. The sound quality is like, I really don't like the sound quality. Well, the speaker quality is fine, but the microphone quality is bad. Unlike this phone, it sounds really good. I just like the microphone quality. The camera quality does not really matter to me. I swing these things because it comes out wrinkly. Alright. And let's check that out. It's not dirty enough. And there we go. Yeah, another load of laundry done. Well, it seems like, oh, she's not here. Yeah, I do this a lot. Oh, she's in the bathroom. Well, I'll have to wait then.